Me on my way to steal your man with my fire ass sunglasses. Steal her man's. I hate myself. Just.
Ryan Little.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Narali Mota back here again with another video for you guys, and welcome if you are new here. Today's video I am going to be styling some of my glasses. I am actually wearing my glasses today. Yes, I am blind as heck. Not a lot of people know that I wear glasses because I usually wear my contacts, but you know, a shout out to Voogueme for sending me these glasses because they are literally so stylish, so cute. They specialize in cat eye glasses, so these are one of the glasses that I'm going to be styling some outfits with. It's gonna be one of her pair glasses that I got in the mail, and yeah, I'm really excited about that. If you guys want to get some cute glasses for yourselves, make sure you guys go to the doctor, get your prescription, and then you guys can use coupon code Narali for 15% off your next or first order. And yeah, but anyways, without further ado, if you guys are excited for this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the little bell icons on there to get notified every single time I post. I love you guys so much, and let's just jump right into styling these outfits. Let's just go right into my closet and see.
So this is my main closet where I come to after I get my glam done.
My closet's not that big, you know. I wish I could just be like, oh, come along, like, you know, like all those rich people, but my closet's high-key a mess. And yeah, but let's see what I can grab out of my closet and see. Let me pull you guys in. It's not like a walk-in closet like those beauty gurus or whatever. Give me 1 second. This is my headache, my closet. It's high-key a mess, and like honestly, this is pretty clean for how it can get. I don't have one of those like beauty guru closets or whatever, but it's okay. Let's see what I'm going to be wearing. And then my purses, of course, can't forget. I've been loving these small purses so much. This isn't what I have right here, but these two purses are my, well, I like this one. I actually got this at a yard sale and it's Prada. I don't know if it's real or not, but you know, it's cute, so there we go. This one is one of my favorites too, and I'm trying to find the other one. It's like a Coach one. I think it's under the, oh, right here. Okay, this one. I love this thing. This is like, this one and the white one are my favorites. And then I also got another Prada one from a yard sale that I don't know if it's real or not, but you know what? They're cute. I don't know if it's real. It looks pretty real, like the logo. The black one looks more official. So let me show you guys the black one again. The black one, like the logo looks pretty freaking real. Am I bugging? Like, do you guys think this is real? I got it at a yard sale and it was like $10 each, so I'm like, I feel like nobody would really sell a Prada bag for that cheap, but like it's still cute, so I'm still gonna wear it. And I feel like I could take off this and put like the actual like the ones that they've been selling nowadays with the chain type of thing, and I feel like that'd be a look, right? I don't know, we're gonna use it anyways. I also have a drawer, so let's go look at the drawer that I have over here. My room is very tiny, so that's why it's kind of like all over the place, but I have picked out some shirts. These drawers are high-key a mess because I haven't cleaned it in my long. I have a couple of options for the leather blazer. This top, this as well, and this one I think I'm gonna save. This one I got out of my closet, but I think I'm gonna save this for another pair of glasses, so yeah. And then I have this leather, but I actually might take you guys downstairs with me so that I can use my leather jacket instead. That might be smart. So let's go downstairs. Me still having my Christmas decorations up. Or this household. Alright, so this is the closet that we have downstairs. Lighting is kind of ass down here, but I have a lot of my jackets in here, and I really hope that I can find my leather jacket. Let's see. Yep. This is her. This is her. I'm gonna leave my leather jacket there. I'm also gonna take a couple of my other ones just because I don't know exactly what I'm going to be picking out. I really like this. This is kind of tiny. I might sell that soon, to be honest. That's what I have so far for outfit number 1. Sorry, the lighting's better over here. For outfit number 1, and we're gonna see which ones I like. I don't know. Still gotta pick out outfit number 2 for the other pair of glasses. So yeah, me moving around. You guys are gonna go like dizzy. I'm just thinking if I should bring more jackets upstairs just to like see. Just like see. I'm sorry guys, I'm a terrible vlogger over here. But yeah, let's go see. Alright, so as you guys can tell, I have a lot of jackets, or my mom has jackets as well, and I brought them all upstairs just to have them there for options for when I pick out all the other outfits and stuff. I have some cute ones for this, and yeah, I'm excited. So let's continue. Let's pick out the jeans aspects now, or the bottoms now. So I'm all the way down here now, right next to where my drawers are. This jean setup that I have, or like for my pants and stuff, is really ratchet and honestly looking kind of messy because I just have so many pants and it's just so hard for me to actually pick out which ones I want. So I'm just gonna pick out a couple of bottom pieces so that I can style with the outfits. And if you guys have any ideas of how I should actually organize my small room, because I feel like it's the best that it's gonna get for right now, but I'm open to ideas. So this is what my bed looked like after I just dumped a whole bunch of stuff on it, and now we're gonna go ahead and get to organizing the outfits, actually putting them together, and yeah, so let's get to doing that.
So I lay all my glasses out, and then I basically just start playing around with some of the pieces that I picked out and see what I like and what I don't like.
Alright, so this is the lineup of the outfits that I have chosen out. This is the indecisive one because I can't decide which one to do. This, very cute. And then this, also very cute, very clueless vibes. And yeah, this is basically how the outfit process goes. And now, without further ado, I'm going to be showing you guys the glasses close up before I officially jump into the outfits. A first pair of glasses. For all the pairs of glasses, I'm going to be putting the price point and what they are retailed at right here. Don't forget to use code Narali to get 15% off your first order. So this is what the first pair looks like. They are very edgy, very chic, and I think they're super cute with the leopard print. And now it's also the cat eye, which is really what they specialize in. Alright, so this is the first pair. Now let's move on to the outfit for this one.
You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We can 106 and Park. You be my rock, I be your big ticket. I'm tryna show you off. I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with ya, baby, I want you. Let them watch ya, tell them they can tune in and show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard, so you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us.
The second pair of glasses are these, very cute. Honestly, at first, I really was like getting like Edna from The Incredibles. That was the vibes that I was getting from this one. They're still really cute and very like funny type of glasses. I feel like they go good with a great look. They make you feel really goofy, to be honest, but it's cute. I would definitely wear these with like a cute outfit. Alright, so now let's move on to the outfit number 2 for these pairs of glasses.
Give it to me like...
Hey girl, tell me what it's like in your world. Tell me about your life, what's the deal? Hey girl,
now for the third pair. These are honestly one of my favorites. They were very tiny and I didn't think that they was gonna look right on my face, but I'm literally like in love with it. Like the little details on it. I don't even know what exactly the pattern is. If it's like a leopard print or like kind of like a marble print. I love the neutral colors. Super cute, and I feel like brown has been so in lately. So yeah. That is the third pair. Now let's move on to the outfit portion. And
she's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly.
Alright, so now this is the fourth pair. And honestly, these are a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I think they're super cute and super like goofy as well. They're very big and I have like a really small face, but I feel like with a nice outfit like I'm about to show you guys, it'll go perfect. And just look at the nice little detail on it. It's very like marble. So that is the fourth pair of glasses. Now that we finished with these, let's move on to the outfit portion.
Lighting up the stage, just have a mosh pit. Cinderella, baby, drop the ball with it. Some of my dogs, yeah, they dogs with it. I be coolin', I be robbing. Baby, yeah, you dealing with a boss. Did you know you dealing with a star? I just put the handy on the rocks. I'ma put the icing on the watch. Yeah. I'm a playboy, I need a cardi. If you wanna play, you sorry. She say that she wanna get to know me. Play all my tracks and that she want me. Ballin' my name, the gas like octane. Shit, I'm about to evolve. Cap is your game, shoot.
Guys, so this is the fifth and final pair, and I literally love these. They are sunglasses, not glasses, but they are so freaking cute. They literally give me like 70s vibes. I love the little detailing that's right here. And like the reflection, you guys can literally see my whole mess in the background, but it's okay. Like, oh my god, I just freaking love them. Like, excuse me? I can take a man if I want to, but lucky for you, I would never do that. So now that I have shown you guys the fifth and final pair, let's move on to the fifth and final outfit.
Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair.
Ryan Little.